In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious curried pumpkin. But before we proceed, do make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and the notification bell. Let's continue. So here I've got some codfish, or as we call it in the island or in Jamaica, we call it saltfish. So we've got some salted fish boiling, and normally I boil the saltfish like 2, sometimes 3 times, just to make sure that it's not overly too salty. But you know, 2 times normal, boiling it 2 times normally is sufficient. You know, it's up to you how you like your salted fish or codfish to be salty. Now guys, I start by preparing my seasoning, and we don't need a lot of fresh seasoning for this curried pumpkin. What we need is basically onion, and as you can see, I have about 2 onions here that I'll be cutting up, and that's pretty much it. We don't need too much fresh seasoning right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up these onions, and then we'll be right back.
You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day, oh. Princess of mine, what have I done to deserve your royal time? Cause when you chose me, a simple man, you just made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day.
So I am almost done cutting up the onions. I am all done cutting it up now, and we are just gonna take that, move it, put it one side, and then we're gonna start slicing up the pumpkin. First, I start off by cleaning out the seeds of the pumpkin, and then basically cut it up. And cutting it up smaller makes it easier to clean it out. And I'm gonna cut it up in smaller pieces as we go along.
I knew, but I guess love is blind. Cause when you chose me, a simple man, you just made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. You just made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Oh, day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Oh, day. You just made my day. You 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 made my day.
Okay, so I'm pretty much done cutting up the pumpkins, and cutting it into smaller pieces basically makes it cook quicker, because we want our pumpkin to be really soft and, you know, break apart, just really mushy and soft, you know. And here I have the pumpkin in the pot, and I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna let it boil and soften, and you know, after it's finished softening, I'm gonna add it to the pot with the saltfish. So gonna let that finish up boiling, and it's almost finished boiling now. I've had it on the pot for some time, so I'm getting ready to take it out and drain that water and just start adding it to my codfish or my saltfish. Here you can see I have my saltfish in another pot, and it's been frying up. I have added some thyme leaves, some more fresh seasoning, and of course some Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't want too many fresh seasoning in. So right now I'm adding my soft and my boiled soft yummy pumpkin right now. So this is gonna be so delicious. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. I wish you could have smelled it while I was cooking it. Oh man, I was just longing to just dig in to this curried pumpkin. So as it cooks, I'm gonna keep adding it, and I'm just gonna add my dry seasoning. And here I'm adding some thyme leaves, and you know, I'm gonna add some, I'm not putting in too much thyme leaves in it, but just a little bit, and you know, some other seasonings as well. And I'm also gonna add some black pepper, you know, a little bit of salt to it. Well, you know what, guys, the saltfish, I did boil it so much that I needed to add a little teeny bit of salt, but really you don't need to add salt to it, because the saltfish should already have enough salt in it, you know. So I did boil all the salt, and you know, just needed to add a little bit more. But you know, stay away from the salt when you're cooking this. And of course, the key ingredient is the curry seasoning. You want to make sure you have your curry seasoning to add to this to give it that yummy curry flavor. So you know, I added my curried pumpkin, and add my curry seasoning to make the curried pumpkin, of course, and all that delicious seasoning. I did add some black pepper as well, and as you can see, I just mix everything in together, mix it all up, and there you go. Look at that. Ooh, you see how soft it is, how everything just crushes, you know, the pumpkin just crushed out. It's so delicious, looks so delicious and smells so good. And there you go, voila, it's all done and ready to be served. Now you guys just serve this curried pumpkin with some white rice, and you guys are good to go. And there you have it, delicious Jamaican curried pumpkin, guys. Do make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I release more content such as this.